Good afternoon, friends! Halika dito sa ating munting backyard. So, ito yung aking surroundings. And the weather is very beautiful. It's a bearable temperature. Gusto ko ipakita sa inyo kung ano ang nasa ating backyard. Ngayon, spring season na. So, all the flowers are blooming. Ito yung bagong tanim ko na lukwat. Gumagalaw yung aking camera. Ito yung yung garlic and onions. Spring onions, my friend. So, ngayon, ito yung persimmon. So, may mga bud na siya. Ayan na yung flowers ng persimmon. Kung nakikita ninyo, ayan Ayan. That's the one. This is the persimmon. Oh yeah. As you can see, that's the fruit, my friend. It's coming out. That's the flower of the persimmon. You see? So, that's the persimmon tree. So, green na siya ngayon. Ang ganda. Ayan. Ayan. Kita ninyo. So, ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Ito yung yung aking sugarcane. Ang taas. Tingnan ninyo, friend. Napakataas. Ang ganda ng yung breeze. So beautiful. Gusto ko ipakita sa inyo yung aking iris. Ayan, yung iris. The single petal, my friend. Galing ito ng Wisconsin at hinahanap po yung buto nito, yung rhizome roots. So, ayan, napakaganda. Another one here, my friend. These are the cacti. Midnight bloom and cacti. But this is gonna be very sour still. It's still very sour. It's turning yellow. By May, this gonna be fully yellow. It's a lot of fruits, but kind of small because it's compacted. See this my citrus flowers. I could smell the scents. Very citrusy. Okay, let's go over here. Okay. This is nice. This is beautiful. Can you hear the chirping of the birds? Okay friend, thank you for coming and please subscribe, likes and comments to my channel. See you tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye.